All right, good afternoon, guten Tag, Klasse. For this lesson, you are going to learn about what the subject pronouns are in German. Okay, so you will hear about the subject pronouns. But first, let me create this line over here, which is going to be a 2 by 3. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 by 3. So the subject pronouns are I in English, you in English, he, she, there's a word it also somewhere. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug in another word, which is you. It'll make sense later on. The next one is going to be the word we, y'all, and the word they. And then because we do have that you right here, I'm going to go ahead and use y'all in this area also. Okay. All right. So we have also singular subject pronouns here. We all have plural pronouns that are right here. Okay, the very first one, when we're talking about the word I in English, in German, we are going to say ich. Ich. For the word you in German, that's going to be du. And when you hear the word du, that is going to be informal. It's a familiar person that you are talking to. The next one that we have is the word he in German. It's going to be er. She in German, it's sie. There's an it right there, but we're not really going to pay close attention to that one. But the word is s. And lastly, for the word you, we're going to capitalize that s, I, and then e. And then at the very bottom over here, I'm going to go ahead and put down that it is formal you. And we'll talk a little bit more about what that formal versus informal means. So you are going to pause this after you pronounce the word. Ich, du, er, sie, sie. Again, these are all singular right here. When we go to the plural side, which is on the right side of this paper, we are now going to have the word we in German. It's called wir. If you're talking to multiple people, informal, familiar setting, you're going to say ihr. And the word they, whether you're talking about multiple boys or multiple girls or mixture, that would be the word sie. And on this side over here, because we have a singular you, which is sie, we're also going to use that capitalized S, I, E, Z. Again, this one will be informal for the ia, and this would be formal. So yes, I can use y'all as a formal setting, and that would be Sie in German. So pause and start back after you guys have pronounced. Let's go with wir, ihr, sie. Even though there is a capitalization that happened over here on this side over here, there's really no change in the way that we're talking about it. All right, that is all for you today. Thank you. Danke.